In the heart of the Sunny Patch Garden lived a little lettuce named Lucy. While all the other vegetables woke up early to greet the morning, Lucy preferred to stay curled in a tight, sleepy ball. She didn't want to stretch her roots or reach for the sky. Her neighbor, a bright lettuce named Thallo, was the busiest plant in the row. Every morning, Thallo would hum a happy tune while she pushed her roots deep into the cool earth to find the best water. "Come on, Lucy," Thallo would cheer, her leaves shimmering in the dew. "Stretch your leaves." The sun feels like a warm hug. But Lucy just sighed and tucked her head under a leaf. "Growing is too much work," she whispered. One afternoon, the garden gate creaked open. A kind gardener named Diggory walked down the path. He carried a large, woven basket on his arm and wore a floppy straw hat that wobbled as he moved. Diggory stopped at the lettuce row. He beamed when he saw how big and crunchy Thallo had grown. "Perfect," he said. He carefully lifted Thallo from the ground and placed her into his basket for the big harvest feast. When Diggory looked at Lucy, he sighed. "Oh dear," he said quietly. "This one is much too small and soft. She isn't ready at all." He turned away, leaving Lucy all alone in the big, empty patch of dirt. Lucy felt a big, cold tear roll down her leaf. She realized that by being lazy, she had been left behind. "I don't want to be small forever," she sobbed. "I want to be strong and useful too." The very next morning, Lucy didn't wait for the sun to find her. As soon as the first light touched the garden, she strained with all her might. She pushed her tiny roots down and stretched her leaves up, up, up. Day after day, Lucy worked hard. She drank her water and soaked up every bit of sunshine she could find. Slowly but surely, her leaves became crisp, emerald green, and very, very ruffly. She was finally growing. When Diggory returned to the garden, he gasped in surprise. "What a magnificent lettuce," he cried, clapping his hands. Lucy beamed with pride. She had learned that while growing is hard work, the success it brings is the best feeling in the world.